Hey everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your account type on Instagram in 2024. Whether you want to switch between personal or professional, I have got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, you have to find the Instagram app on your mobile device and open it. And now, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three lines, which is also known as the hamburger menu, which is located on the top right corner of your profile. And from the menu, select on the option saying Creator Tools and Controls, which is under For Professionals. And once you have clicked on it, search for an option saying Switch Account Type, and once you find it, click on it. Personal account is ideal for private and non-business users, whereas professional account is great for business, public figures, or anyone looking for advanced insights. And once you have switched, Instagram might ask you to set up additional features. Don't worry, the change isn't permanent. You can switch back to your account type whenever you need. Follow the same step. And that's it. Changing your account type on Instagram in 2024 is super easy. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.